Welcome back to Hidden Gems by Shekhar. Normally, we talk about movies, books, music. Normally, the gems which are hidden in these fields, particularly in music and films. But today, we are going to talk about a very different, very different topic, which is minimalism. Some of you might have heard about it. For those it is new, please check on Google. If you Google it, it will basically say that less is more, or living with less is important, or some of will say living like a monk or something like that. There are various concepts. There are thousands of people who are practicing it in worldwide. Everyone has their own perspective, but I have my own. So I will tell you how I started it. Actually, I'm very fond of productivity videos. Your regular working. So how can I increase my productivity and everything? So I regularly check on videos about productivity on YouTube. I came to one channel. I guess that guy's name is Matt D. Avila. I guess that's the correct pronunciation. He's the guy who makes a lot of videos on productivity, and I am really impressed about him. That the way he talks and the way he presents, the way he communicate the actual meaning of minimalism and other productivity tips. He actually reminds me my friend Rahil, and I really like his videos. I watch it a lot, and I have learned a lot of things from him. Particularly this thing, minimalism. He talks a lot about that, and for years now, I was thinking about it. Not actually minimalism, but actually I was thinking like, for example, I would like to talk clothes. If we say about clothes, I always prefer to wear comfortable clothes, which are comfortable to me, where I am confident to wear it. So I should feel confident now. If I am wearing uh, clothes for a particular occasion, I should feel confident. But what happens is, I am confident in two three colors only, and two three types of shirts, and for t-shirt only. But what happens is, whenever I buy shirts, my particular my mother, my family, and everyone will say like, man, why are you wearing same color, why are you wearing same type of shirt? So try something else and everything. I used to buy a lot of stuff because of it, but I never liked it, and I will never wear it. You can see this is my favorite color. I will always wear black, no matter it's a Saturday or something. For those who don't know the concept, in India, particularly Maharashtra, people say that you should not wear black on Saturday. So I don't believe in that. But I like black color. Then I came to know about some stories like for Barack Obama, that he wears only two colors in shirt. So it reduces stress while in the morning. While what to wear, what is match, is this a match or not, what type of shoes should I wear, and everything. It reduces stress. So every day, if you wear same clothes, it really reduces stress. So I started following this thing. I bought six same black t-shirts from my favorite site, Bewkoof, and I have started wearing it every day. So I have now six shirts uh, in black. So let's see what happens. It's been a few days I am wearing it, and one of the things I want to clear about minimalism is, mainly people think that minimalism is about living like a monk, or saving money, being cheapsteak, I guess. But no, it's not. It's about making decision, understanding what you really like or what you really don't, in which thing you are comfortable, in which thing you are not. So understanding that is minimalism. And do things because you like it, or because you want to do it, not because everybody is doing it and it's a fashion, it's a trend and everything. So it gives you freedom, actually. When you are choosing less, your vision is very focused about the things which actually matters to you, and which are actually important to you. You focus on them. So I guess it should not be only about clothes, money, or materialistic things. For example, if I am watching, recently I have practiced one thing. I used to watch a lot of news and YouTube videos, and everything about social topics and everything, politics. But I came to know that it is giving me stress only. See, being updated is good. You should be updated. But actually, in today's news, you will not be updated. Rather, you are frustrated. So I realized that I need to declutter it. There's a lot of clutter about this non-important, unimportant information in my mind. So I decided to give only information which is important and interesting and which is helping me to my mind. So I started watching comedy videos. I started watching videos of Satya Show. I like that guy, and another lot of funny stuff. I started investing time with my family, my career, and learning new productivity things. Particularly this Matt D'Avella guy. I really appreciate what he's doing, and he also has directed movie on Netflix. I guess The Minimalist or something name is there. You can check on Netflix, and you should understand that minimalism is nothing to do with saving money or living like cheapsteak. It just perks. The main thing is choosing what you want to do and choosing what is important to you, what matters to you. That's it, and nothing else. I have already started this clothes and other things. In other fields of my life also, I am practicing it. I will tell you about that in my next videos. Right now, I want to tell you, Google it, search for it, understand it, and try to practice it. You don't have to be wearing like black shirt or some one shirt for every day. It could be anything comfortable for you, or there will be 4 5 colors, patterns, whatever it is. It is about make what is important, when at what thing you should spend your time. You should not be spending your time on deciding which clothes to wear, which to not. You should be spending time on your work, your study, or whatever you do for your life, whatever you like to do. So I think it's a very positive, thing, concept to declutter your mind is a very cliche word. I'll say it gives you peace, and it relaxes you a lot. You can check it. I am experiencing it right now, and I am checking another lot of stuff about minimalism, and I will keep you updated about my experiences, and we will talk about it soon. Goodbye.